Alltest recently worked on a really big mill standard 461 project with the OEM Frankonia from Germany. We had a large testing lab that had a large military contract with the Navy. They needed a chamber, they needed it fast. So we worked closely with Frankonia to provide a full turnkey system for military standard 461. Alltest provided the EMI and EMC chamber. We provided the Keysight N9038 analyzer. We supplied the N5183 MXG and a variety of other test instruments that worked in that system. And as the scope increased and as the customer and the end user for the testing required more, Frankonia stepped in to fill the gaps to provide a larger chamber build, put in a beautiful self-closing door, nice turntable on the floor, and helped to provide also high-power RF amplifiers, which are crucial in military 461 testing. It's really exciting being part of such a dynamic team and working on this project. Whether you're a compliance test lab or you're an OEM developing defense technology, we can help you. We provide a litany of equipment for military standards, test chambers. We provide benchtop electrical testing equipment like analyzers and generators, or we provide turnkey systems and expert consultancy for technical matters related to military standard testing. Please reach out. We'd love to learn how we can help you.